guys, welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. So basically this is just an update on the Subaru, and finally these two parts that I've been waiting on for the car since August have finally arrived. So I'm just waiting to install them. First part is wheels. I got some other wheels. I'll show you in a little bit how they look. The reason I have thrown it on because I have to order new spacers because they don't clear the front brembos, so I have to space them out a little bit. And the ones that I have on, the spacers, the studs, the wheel studs do not go on, do not clear the brembos. I mean, do not clear the wheels, because the back of the wheels, they're just basically just flat, and only the regular studs go in and not the wheel studs, so they don't fit with these studs, I mean these spacers. So I did get some new ones and they should be here today, and they come with new wheel studs, extended wheel studs, so I'm gonna have to put those on. And I did not test fit the back, but I think they should fit perfectly in the back. But I might just do spacers all around, who knows. But we'll see how they look. And as for the SEIBON lip, I just wanted a new lip because this one cracked on me, basically all right there and then right here in the middle. So yeah, excited for the new lip. I ordered it back in August, and I didn't think it was gonna take this long, but yeah, it just arrived yesterday. So yeah, it's gonna make the car look really good. And yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys the wheels and show you guys the lip really quick, show you guys how it looks, and then on the next video I'll throw on probably either the wheels or the lip. I don't know yet. I kind of want to put the wheels on first and get the tires, and then probably lift up the car a little bit more, just so I don't break that lip again. So we'll see, maybe an inch. But yeah, overall the car is good. Yeah, let me just show you the wheels really quick. For the lip, well, let's open up this wheel. I already opened it up so you guys can basically see. So these are the D9Rs by Works, 18 by 9.5 plus 38. And yeah, so they don't clear the brembos. I have to get some spacers with the extended wheel studs. So once those come in and install those, then I'll get tires for these and then I'll put them on the car. But let me know what you guys think about these wheels. Do you like them better, more better than the Rays, or the Rays look better than these? I don't know. For me, I just kind of wanted something different, and these would look nice. I should have got them in white, but you know, oh well. Black is like my other favorite color, so that's why I always get black. But that's pretty much it for guys. Let me just get tires and we can throw these on the car. Let's unbox that one now really quick. Alright guys, after fighting with all that paper and bubble wrap, they kept it really clean. But here it is. Sheesh! This is their SEIBON MB3 front lip. I don't see it anywhere at all, and I've been trying to look for this on people's cars, but nobody has it that much, you know, so nobody's gonna spend this much money on a lip. Or maybe they're just not photographing it, but damn, this looks so much better. This is their lip, carbon fiber. Looks really good. Damn. It will be ceramic coating it just to make it look nice. Pretty sure I'm gonna put a clear bra on it just to keep it from chipping. And it is a nice lip though, damn. I'm just glad it doesn't stick out that much right here compared to that stock one that I have on right now. It's not stock, but I mean, you know. But it looks good. Can't wait to put it on. Looks like it has all the holes for the mounting. I probably need to make them bigger though, honestly, because right here, this is definitely not gonna fit any of the holes. This one's either the pop clips are too big, but we'll see how I install this and how it looks. Overall, we're really satisfied. Looks really good. So anyways, I can't wait to throw it on. So basically this is just me showing you guys how it looks and I can't wait to put them on the car. But yeah, new lip and new wheels. Hopefully I don't break this lip, because then I'll have to order it again, and the wait for this lip is too long. So yeah, don't want to wait. So let's hopefully the fitment is good once I throw it on the car. It doesn't look too low, and I feel like it doesn't stick out a lot like the other one I have on the car. So we'll see. But yeah, looks good. I don't know if you can see that, but there is a little issue there. But yeah, overall looks good. I think I can just polish this out. I don't know if it's from when they were making it or whatever. But damn, it's expensive lip that I'm gonna break again. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll keep you guys, I'll watch you guys in the next video. Hopefully that's the video with the wheels, and then the video with the lip. And hopefully I don't have no issues with the install on this. So yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, peace out.